Today is Saturday and we are going to get this hair done. So, just got my hair relaxed, got it washed and everything. Just going through the process. When I'm finished, I wish I could go home and just go to sleep. But I know how this goes. Especially with my kids. I'm super tired. So we're all finished. Hello, it's nothing crazy, nothing wild. Simple dimple mommy. Yeah. I did for sure. I know that tomorrow when I wake up. What happened? When I said tomorrow when I wake up, my head I go have some burns because especially right in there, so we dip on fire. But yeah, this is my natural hair. I wanted bangs, but I have fine hair, so she's saying that if I get bangs, she's not sure how it's going to look on me. But I really wanted to try bangs. Hair is looking so full, so flowy, and I love it. The back part needs to catch up, but it doesn't seem to be catching up, and we can't better fight with it. So yeah. When you can, this my love. You so when I go for go get my hair done, my love my go for go get my hair done, and this a move. When I like I'm go for go get my hair done, and my ear just stiff, right? Yeah, I like that. So we're heading home now. I want to sleep. My husband said none of the kids have slept. So, but I think it's too late to send them go to sleep now because it's by the time I reach home, it's actually after 4, I think. I'm gonna go and take a nap. So I'm looking at this place and I'm like, it wants to clean, it wants to clean, it wants to clean. But then I'm like, you want to sleep, you want to sleep, you want to sleep. You see my eyes? I want to sleep. Here's all wrapped. Needs to be flat and straight. Right. And now to take a nappy nap. Not take this after tomorrow. This time around, I'm going to try my hardest to keep my hair tucked and away when I'm not going anywhere. But the thing is, I like when I'm home, I like to look good. I like to feel good. I like to still, I don't like to be those girls that, just because you're a mommy, just because you're a wife, you're all of yourself. And no, that girl here, no, she doesn't do that. She does not do that. So yeah, I'm gonna go into bed now. So now get back to now. Good morning. So today is Sunday. This week is the week. Is it the week before Father? It's the week before Father's Day. So I had ordered my husband's Father's Day gift from about 2 weeks ago. It arrived last week Saturday, but for some reason I'm not seeing it at my shipping company. So I'm assuming because of the rain and everything, that's why it has not come. So I'm hoping to see it this week Friday. Yeah. So now I'm here and I'm thinking, okay, what else do I want to do? Do I want to get him to get a massage and a pedicure? Do I want him to get a massage and a facial? My day here from Pustazzles, and I try find like a deal that's going to give me a massage, and I want like the real what do you call it, bougie experience. I want him to have like a glass of wine. I want him to sit in a nice chair. Like, I want the environment to be real nice, but all that I want Ching 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 is expensive. So I'm gonna know that's a good birthday. I hope it plays out. Father, in the name of Jesus, let these plans go how I want it to go, but better yet in your perfect will. And I know your will is not my will. I know your way is not my way. But Lord, please, I want to treat your son. Please. So I'm just really hoping it goes. Not even goes my way. I'm just hoping it goes how I have it envisioned. So I think I have such a mindset, and I know what I want to do, but then I need to realize and remember that care, the heart is willing, but the pocket, she ain't. And he so happened to book me with this person before, and she and I were really cool. So I'm thinking of just booking back her. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and book them now and message her and find out if I can use the two of them one time. Morning, Tamiko. Yeah. Morning, it's Mrs. Smith. Hi. I want to book for my husband on Sunday, right? You hear me? Yes, I'm hearing you. He did the facial and I wanted a massage for him. Oh, yeah, man, but here what now? For next week? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Yeah. So see why it's good? See why it's good to keep links? Why it's good to find out these things before? Cause see, me I go book for Sunday. She not gonna here for Sunday. So no, I may have to. She says she's gonna figure something out and call me back. To find out, let me call my cousin because I need to find out if we are going. Hey girl, try and say something. Morning. Nothing. Are we still booked and ready for Saturday? Want me to I really want me to stop. Yeah, I can see. Oh boy. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Christ in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, wow, I can understand. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. Till my soul and couldn't see why. Hold my hand high, cause you see and now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better, It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good. Ayo, he said that he will never change, and he never changed. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand, and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new, and he gave me too. I really want to make this Father's Day really, really special. This will be my husband's third Father's Day or fourth Father's Day, one out of the two. So I wanted to make it really, really special. So I have a whole itinerary that I'm trying to plan together, but I haven't finished planned it just yet. So this is what I'll be sending him soon. But I want to put a whole itinerary here. I'm trying to figure out whether I should put everything on this and send it to him for his expectation, or should I just send him this and then on the day I will send this to him on what he should expect. You guys, then again, you guys are going to get this video way after, so I think it's really pointless to say tell me what you guys think I should do, because you guys will be getting it after Father's Day. So yeah, one of my cousins gave me some good ideas, so I'm gonna roll with those ideas. So I'm gonna, in the morning, I'm gonna give him, of course, which is what I was already planning, I'm gonna give him like a brunch, like I give him like a whole setup. So I'm definitely gonna have to take the car from him. Definitely going to have to take the car from him and try to go and, or have him carry me and go and buy the stuff that I need. I need one of those little, look, one of those carriers where you put the plate on. We've seen a show or overall where you put the food on, and then when the person is in bed, you can carry it to them. So I want one of those. We have a wine glass already. We have wine glasses already. It would be in the morning, so he's not going to be taking any liquor in the morning, of course. So, morning breakfast. It's Sunday, so I'll be cooking Sunday dinner. Baby, you ain't getting no lunch. You're gonna wait until dinner is finished cooking. Instead of getting him the massage, I think I am going to just do a whole setup myself. So, we have this bad boy already. So I think I'm gonna use that. Do the massage. And I have the oil already. I have some icy hot for my back, but I'll use some of it on him. I'm gonna get some candles. I'm gonna find out where I can get like a nice foot scrub. And also I'm going to get face mask, face scrub. There's something where you use the brush where you use and brush. Yeah, man, I'm gonna spend a little shillings this weekend, I think. That's what we're doing. So I'm going, when I'm finished setting up the little itinerary, I'm gonna let you guys know, because I don't know what I want to cook for dinner yet. I want to cook something nice and different. More making juice, some natural juice, and something, no bottle juice, no IQ, no no tropics, no Tropicana, no baby. We're giving luxury on a budget. Luxury on a budget is what we're going to be giving. So I'm trying to figure that out. Yeah, ball in a life, man. Hey guys, we have come to the end of the vlog. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Please go ahead, like, share, comment, subscribe